Hey everybody, Mike Vacchi, Princetontrader.com, here with your midday update. Okay, so hourly chart, you continue to see the expansion. Lower highs, lower lows, lower highs, lower lows, and on. It's been an interesting morning for us. We talked about in the webcast being short from 57.75. We took that off for a full 20 handles, a full what we consider a week's worth of handles on one trade, which was nice. We tried to play the balance a little bit, but I was much more interested in the short side. And when it looked like the bulls had finally got it together and got up over 38.39, when they failed here at 42.25, I had to come in and kind of call an audible. I was going to the gym, hopped on the GoToWebinar via my cell phone, told Tony Rago and a couple of other guys in the room, we got to call an audible. We got to get short here. Against the 39 area, about 10 after 12. It let you in right around 12:30 there, gave a couple looks at 40, and then off to the races. Make a lower low versus this 35, 36 area. 32 was the short from this morning, and here we are, trading down into the 29 area. So sometimes you gotta call an audible. Now we're making lower lows in and around 28. And what this chart doesn't show you is that down here right around 26 is the daily mid band, upper band. And once you lose that band ride, we talked about that ending this morning. What's next? Middle band. And we could potentially see it today. All right, everybody, have a good one. I'll check in again before the close. Another great day in the room, another great week, and a great start to the month. Trade them well. Have a great weekend.